welcome to another Mikhail's Garage and our new multi-part series on our backup motor. Within this series, we're going to remove our Siezed Beetle engine and replace it with a backup engine. In this first episode, we're going to remove the Siezed engine. After removing the rear wheels, we went on to remove all the accessories. First, we started with the air filter. After removing the air filter, we went on to remove the hot air hoses. This allowed us to remove the front tin lamp. Next, we started to disconnect the electrical wires. But before we did that, we took a quick picture to serve as reference to when we put the engine back to the car. After disconnecting all electrical wires, we went on to disconnect the accelerator cable. The last thing connecting the engine to the car is the fuel line. To avoid any fuel coming out, we just placed the bolt into the fuel line and tightened the clamp. accelerator cable out of the conduit, or it will interfere when cooling the engine out. There are only 4 bolts holding the engine to the transmission. The top 2 are accessed through the engine compartment behind the fan housing. Whilst the bottom 2 bolts are accessed through the wheel wells. All the accessories detached from the engine and the 4 bolts removed, we are now ready to pull the engine. First, let's put a jack under the engine until it supports the engine mount. To pull the engine out, we start pulling the engine towards the rear of the car to detach the transmission shaft from the crankshaft. Once you feel the engine full, you can start lowering the jack. To do so, you might need to lean the engine forward or backwards through the course to make sure it clears both the transmission shaft and all the teamwear. now that we have the engine out of the car, we will be focusing on our backup engine. So don't forget to tune in to our next episodes where we're going to clean the backup engine, do a top-end refresh, and put it all back together. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please do leave your feedback below so we can improve our content, and do click that subscribe button. Until next time.